Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently if that feels right for you. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe out, release it slowly through your mouth. Once more, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. And breathe out gently, letting go of any initial tension. There is no rush here. Allow yourself to slow down. Give your body permission to relax, to let go. Feel the tension in your muscles begin to soften and melt away. With every single breath you take, notice how you feel calmer, quieter, and more at ease. Just follow the natural rhythm of your breathing in and out. Your breathing is slow and natural, easy and smooth. There's no need to force it. Just let it flow. Feel a gentle sense of calm washing over you, like a soft, warm wave moving slowly through your entire body. Notice your shoulders relaxing, dropping away from your ears. Feel the muscles in your face soften. Let your jaw unclench. Everything begins to feel lighter, more peaceful. If thoughts appear in your mind, and they will, just acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine them as clouds drifting across the sky. There is no need to follow them or get caught up in their stories. Simply let them float on by and gently return your focus to your breath. Slow, gentle, steady. Now, imagine a peaceful place. It can be a real place you've been to or a place you create in your mind. See it clearly. A place that is quiet, still, and completely safe. This is your personal sanctuary, a place where nothing is expected of you. You can just be. Feel the profound calm in the air around you. Sense the stillness. Notice how your body feels warm and comfortable, fully supported by the surface beneath you. You are held. You are safe. With every breath out, consciously release the day. Let go of all the noise, the busyness, the stress. Just let it all fade away into the distance. Watch it go. Your mind becomes quiet, like a still lake at dawn. Your body becomes heavy and deeply relaxed, sinking gently into a state of pure tranquility. Continue to breathe in and out. Remind yourself in this moment, you are safe. You are calm. You are at peace. There's nothing else you need to do, nowhere else you need to be. Just rest here in this quiet space. Continue breathing slowly, feeling the calm spread through every part of your being. Nothing else matters right now, just this moment of stillness. Slow, quiet, peaceful. Stay here for as long as you like. When you are ready to return, you can slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently reawakening your body. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace with you. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more moments of calm.